Here we are with Dalius, the team manager of this great team, the Speed Factory Racing team. So here you brought one LMP3, the number 5 car. How do you rate that Ultimate Cup Series round here in Slovakia?
Yeah, good. The first, it's a little bit long way for us. So we decided to put just one car because the race is long, and I think the track is very demanding for the drivers. So I think the tactic will make a big impact in the results.
And regarding the Ultimate Cup Series, that's the first year, of course, of the Ultimate Cup Series, but the atmosphere seems to be well.
Yeah, the atmosphere is amazing, very friendly, good surrounding. I think the teams that have experience, like our team, like the Graf or Europol, you know, from the that's coming with the experience from LMS. I think it's very open to tell something, you know, in which one direction we need to go, and I hope that each race the quality will increase. And at the end of the year, we tell, okay, this is the second best series in the Europe.